Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Upwork promo code as of 2025. So here, as you can see that currently I'm on upwork.com. So you need to open a new tab and you need to search for Upwork promo codes. Once you do this, you will be able to see the community.upwork.com website where one person is asking how can I get promo codes from Upwork. So you can just click on it in order to find what the Upwork support team is actually responding to this person. Or what you can do is you can simply scroll down a bit and you need to just open the links in a new tab of the websites that are actually providing you the promo codes. Like this one has $5 off. So currently I found two websites. So here let's just hop on to those websites in order to find what kind of coupons they are providing. So here, as you can see that this website is providing Upwork coupon codes and you can enjoy 40 Upwork connects for free. So it is verified and it is today's best offer. So you just have to simply click on it and it will redirect you on this page where you just have to copy this code from here and click on the shop option. Then it will redirect you on Upwork where you just have to sign in into your account and go to the buy section. At the time of checkout, you just have to simply use this promo code and see if it is working, and you can get 40 Upwork connects for free. So in my opinion, if you are a freelancer, this one is the best offer that you can try as of right now. You can even go through this website that we opened recently where you are getting $5 off coupon code. So if you want to get this deal, you can grab it by clicking on this copy code option. So you can even try this copy code, and it was used 10 days ago. So this is how you can basically find the working Upwork promo codes in 2025. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.